If you're looking for a new ice bath and this is a model for you, super simple to inflate, only takes a couple of minutes. You can even add a chiller or a heater depending on what type of treatment you're looking for. Comes with a lid to make sure nothing drops inside. Today we're going to be putting this ice bath together. It comes with a cover, it comes with a pump so you can blow it up, it comes with the ice bath itself, it comes with a backpack and even has a repair kit. To inflate the spa, you need to find this little valve here. It's on the same side as the water in valve and the water out valve. Remove the cover and then you can take your pump and install the pump here like that. With the pump installed, inflate the spa until you get to 8 to 10 psi. There's a little gauge on top of the pump so you won't overinflate it. Went with 9 psi here, and this is super solid. It's not going anywhere. I really like this. Definitely got a nice bit of structure to it. And then to disconnect the pump, just twist this, and then you can put the cover back in. You can easily empty the water to this, take this down, and then you can put this into the carry bag and take to your next location, or you can just leave it installed like we have here. Now you need to fill it with water, and you can actually attach a chiller to this. It's got the water inlet valve here and the water outlet valve, so you want to have a chiller to make sure your ice baths are really cool, especially in the summer. But if you do want to use this with hot water too, you can also connect a heater to this. Same method. Make sure you put the inlet valve in here and then the outlet valve here, so then you can have warm or cold spas here depending on what you're looking for. Depending on the water cooler or water heater you're using, you may have to get an adapter to fit, so just bear that in mind that you'll have to get a correct size adapter for this. It is 1/4 inch. Just make sure that you have that, and it might not come with the water cooler or water heater you're intending on using. When you're putting the lid on, there's come with these little clasps here so you can fasten them. Make sure they're tight. There's 4, 2 on each side. So if you're looking for a good ice bath, I'd recommend you get this one here. Really easy to set up. It is mobile because you can deflate it and then put it in the backpack and take it to wherever you may need it. So if you're traveling, really handy for people like that. You can also use it as a spa as well. You can add a heater onto here, or you can add a chiller if you just need the water to be colder, depending on what you're looking for. So if you're in the market for an ice bath, I really recommend you get this model here.